Hello guys! Discover the world of incredible inventions that can save your life. These groundbreaking innovations are designed to provide safety and security in critical moments. From advanced fire protection systems to life-saving gear for outdoor enthusiasts, these technologies are built to protect you in emergencies. Whether you're facing natural disasters, accidents, or everyday risks, these inventions offer peace of mind and highlight the importance of continuous advancements in safety and rescue. Slide to Safety. Slide to Safety presents a groundbreaking solution for emergency evacuations, particularly in situations prone to exit congestion like fires or gas leaks. These innovative slides deploy swiftly, activating within a mere 6 seconds, offering occupants a rapid and efficient means of egress. Capable of facilitating the evacuation of up to 30 individuals per minute, they significantly reduce evacuation times and minimize the risk of injury or obstruction. Strategically installed beneath accessible windows, Slide to Safety provides occupants with a direct path to safety, bypassing potentially crowded stairwells or hallways. While designed primarily for buildings up to the 4th floor, their versatility and effectiveness make them a valuable addition to any emergency evacuation plan. With Slide to Safety, building occupants can navigate to ground level swiftly and safely, mitigating the potential dangers associated with exit congestion. This revolutionary system redefines emergency evacuation protocols, prioritizing speed, capacity, and ease of installation to enhance overall safety and peace of mind. The LUF Nano. The LUF Nano is a state-of-the-art robotic electric vehicle designed specifically for challenging firefighting scenarios. When firefighters face obstacles like intense heat, high flames, or difficult terrain, the LUF Nano steps in to provide crucial support. Equipped with 2 powerful engines, this robust machine can carry loads of up to 250 kg and tow up to 500 kg, making it ideal for transporting equipment and evacuating victims. The LUF Nano boasts a top speed of 15 km/h and a ground clearance of 15 cm, allowing it to navigate rough terrain with ease. This makes it highly effective in areas where traditional firefighting vehicles might struggle. Additionally, the LUF Nano can be placed on rails using special accessories, further enhancing its versatility and reach in various firefighting situations. Designed to tackle the most extreme conditions, the LUF Nano is an essential tool for modern firefighting. It ensures that vital equipment reaches the front lines and helps evacuate those in danger, all while keeping human firefighters safe from harm. With its innovative features and rugged capabilities, the LUF Nano is revolutionizing the way we approach firefighting in difficult and hazardous environments. Rescue-ready RetroFit. 40 years ago, people had about 17 minutes to escape a room during a fire. Today, with more synthetic materials in use, that time has dropped to less than 3 minutes. It's time to rethink our exit plans with Rescue-Ready RetroFit. This innovative ladder is designed for 2- and 3-story homes and mounts below the windowsill. Installation is so simple that if you can hang a flat-screen TV, you can install this ladder. Rescue-Ready RetroFit offers a simpler and more cost-effective alternative to traditional ladders. Its discreet design allows you to set it up on every window, ensuring that every room has a reliable escape route. This ladder provides peace of mind by enhancing safety and preparedness for emergencies. With Rescue-Ready RetroFit, you can be confident that in the event of a fire, you'll have a quick and safe way to exit your home, giving you and your loved ones precious extra time to escape. Don't wait for a disaster. Be prepared and ensure every room has an escape route with Rescue-Ready RetroFit. Zevs-U. The Zevs-U is a revolutionary self-rescuer designed to provide vital protection in emergency situations. As a disposable gas mask, it offers unparalleled ease of use and a wide field of vision, making it an indispensable tool during fires, smoke, and other emergencies. Specifically engineered to safeguard against a variety of harmful gases, including carbon monoxide, nitrogen and sulfur dioxides, ammonia, and acrolein. The Zevs-U ensures the safety of both adults and children over 12 years old. With its compact design and lightweight construction, weighing less than a kilogram including packaging, the Zevs-U is incredibly portable and convenient to carry. Furthermore, The Zevs-U boasts an impressive lifespan of 5 years when properly stored, providing peace of mind in emergency preparedness. Its ability to provide protection for up to 15 minutes ensures that users have ample time to evacuate hazardous areas and seek safety. With the Zevs-U, individuals can confidently navigate emergency situations knowing that they have reliable respiratory protection at their disposal. Bridgehill Extreme Fire Blankets. Bridgehill Extreme Fire Blankets are indispensable tools for safety, catering to diverse settings like kitchens, car, construction sites, and even combating wildfires. With a unique large version akin to a sail, they're adept at forming formidable barriers against raging infernos. What sets Bridgehill apart is its pioneering EV-class blanket, tailored specifically for addressing the distinct challenges posed by electric vehicle (EV) fires, particularly those involving lithium batteries. Capable of withstanding temperatures soaring up to a blistering 2,500 degrees momentarily, these blankets offer unparalleled protection. Remarkably, they're reusable up to 30 times, reflecting both durability and sustainability. In automotive emergencies, where every second counts, Bridgehill Extreme Fire Blankets excel. Swiftly containing fires, smoke, and hazardous fumes, they mitigate risks with remarkable efficiency. Within moments, flames are subdued, ensuring swift and effective crisis management in critical situations. Trust Bridgehill for uncompromising safety solutions that redefine firefighting standards. Creaturecraft. Introducing the Creaturecraft, the ultimate boats for search and rescue operations. These versatile boats are designed for various water bodies, from small rivers to oceans. Their patented inflatable platform ensures they can float on their side or even upside down, providing unmatched stability and safety. The sturdy frame protects the crew from rocks and debris, making them perfect for rough waters. Built-in Velcro straps ensure secure fixation of equipment, and the boats weigh between 155 to 285 pounds without gear. They also feature a transom to accommodate a motor. Creaturecraft boats excel in specific conditions like near dams or flooded areas. The manufacturer offers a water rescue training course to equip operators with the necessary skills. With Creaturecraft, search and rescue teams gain a reliable, versatile, and robust tool to enhance their efficiency and safety in the most challenging environments. Anti-Tanic. Meet the instant relief solution playfully dubbed the Anti-Titanic. Like magic, it unfolds in just 2 minutes, transforming into a 30-square-meter waffle-shaped wonder that can provide refuge for dozens of people. Its innovative design earned it top honors at the Light On Awards design competition. However, staying ahead of the competition won't be easy. Take the Cytec Zodiac ESS, for example, which deploys twice as fast, in just 1 minute. Some versions can accommodate over 100 people, while others are perfect for more modest vessels, comfortably holding 50 people. With its rapid deployment and impressive capacity, the Cytec Zodiac ESS presents a formidable challenge to the Anti-Titanic's claim to instant refuge. OceanAlpha Dolphin. Meet the OceanAlpha Dolphin 1, a groundbreaking robotic lifesaver that blends innovation and practicality to enhance safety on the water. This advanced device is far more than a simple remote-controlled lifebuoy. It's engineered for a multitude of tasks, such as transporting supplies, handling mooring ropes, and participating in training drills. With its impressive swimming speed of 8 miles per hour, the Dolphin 1 is designed to operate effectively in challenging environments, including muddy water filled with debris and algae. The Dolphin 1's remote control has a range of up to 0.3 miles, offering significant flexibility in rescue operations. Each charge provides 30 minutes of operational time, ensuring that the robot can perform its duties efficiently. The device's batteries are housed in a separate, sealed compartment, which means that even if the body sustains damage, the robot can still complete its mission. For enhanced safety and visibility, the Dolphin 1 features a bright orange hull and lights that are visible even in foggy conditions. This ensures that the robot is easily spotted, reducing response time and increasing the chances of a successful rescue. Whether it's saving lives, transporting essential supplies, or assisting in maritime operations, The OceanAlpha Dolphin 1 is a versatile and reliable tool designed to make a significant impact on water safety. Helite Moto. In the UK, accident statistics reveal that motorcyclists are 13 times more likely to sustain injuries in accidents compared to car drivers. To tackle these alarming figures, Helite Moto offers cutting-edge protective gear that brings advanced safety to the forefront of motorcycling. Helite Moto's innovative offerings include a jacket with a built-in airbag that activates in just a second upon impact, providing crucial protection for the neck and torso. This ensures that riders have an added layer of safety without compromising on comfort or mobility. For track enthusiasts, Helite Moto presents the EGP Vest. Designed with aerodynamics in mind, this vest offers comprehensive protection for the back and chest, ensuring that riders can perform at their best while staying safe. Helite Moto's groundbreaking products extend to the world's first airbag jeans, which inflate in just 150 milliseconds. These jeans effectively safeguard the coccyx and femoral arteries, areas that are particularly vulnerable in crashes. The airbag jeans are fully self-contained, combining safety with everyday wearability. By integrating these advanced safety features into their products, Helite Moto is setting a new standard in motorcycle protection, offering riders peace of mind whether they're on the road or the track. Maccaferri Rockfall Protection. Maccaferri's Rockfall protection system stands as a beacon of safety along precarious roadways, particularly in regions like the Philippines, where landslides pose a constant threat. One such area is the perilous Tacloban Road, a vital artery for logistics and transportation, bustling with heavy traffic. Recognizing the urgency of the situation, Maccaferri devised a dynamic protection system tailored to the rugged terrain. This innovative solution not only safeguards against boulders hurtling down steep slopes, but also serves as a catalyst for ecological regeneration. By intertwining with the natural landscape, the system fosters vegetation growth through its sturdy meshes, enhancing soil stability and density over time. In doing so, it not only fortifies against immediate hazards, but also contributes to long-term environmental resilience. With Maccaferri's Rockfall protection system in place, vulnerable roadways are fortified against the looming threat of landslides, ensuring safer passage for travelers and uninterrupted commerce along critical transportation routes. Ice Rescue Systems. Ice Rescue Systems provides a comprehensive lineup of products tailored for ice rescue scenarios. From helmets to sleds, their offerings cover all the essentials for safe and efficient operations on icy terrain. One standout product is their distinctive yellow horseshoe-shaped rescue sling. This innovative device boasts impressive capabilities with a remarkable capacity to support weights of up to 1,360 kg while providing 8 kg of buoyancy. Acting as both a harness and a life jacket, it ensures the safety of both rescuer and rescued in critical situations. Their sleds, known as RTS, Rescue Toboggan Systems, feature a sleek and low-profile design, making them exceptionally suitable for windy conditions. Weighing in at just 13 kg, these sleds are effortlessly manageable by a single rescuer. Their versatility extends to various terrains, as they perform admirably on both water and snow. With smooth gliding capabilities, they can even function as makeshift rafts, adding an extra layer of utility to their already impressive functionality. Ice Rescue Systems equips rescuers with the tools they need to navigate icy environments with confidence and effectiveness. RECCO. RECCO's cutting-edge rescue system is a game-changer for outdoor enthusiasts venturing into remote areas. When individuals go missing in forests or mountains, rescue teams equipped with the RECCO system spring into action. Mounted onto helicopters, this innovative technology enables rapid scanning of vast landscapes, covering a square kilometer in just 6 minutes. The system relies on detecting special reflectors embedded in clothing and gear, enabling rescuers to pinpoint missing persons swiftly and accurately. With over 200 manufacturers, including renowned brands like the North Face and Helly Hansen, incorporating these reflectors into their products straight from the factory, outdoor adventurers can enhance their safety and expedite rescue operations with ease. RECCO ensures that even in the most challenging environments, help is never far away.